What's up, Gyen Coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? The Gyen Coin condition is going very good now because my brother, this time all crypto market is very incompatible and all coin will dumps down. But this time, as you, my friend, as you can see yourself, the Gyen Coin is on the trending and price will pumping up. 0.19% the price is increased now. Definitely that is really great news for all of you now. But 0.008759 USD dollar, this is the current price. So that's mean, my friend, too. The price is completely increasing. You can see it from last 1 month, from last 2 months. But this is the last, my friend, in upcoming time, in the last 1 month of this year, my friend. Definitely, especially long time investors are starting selling. So the condition is going very critical now. So this video is very important for all viewers, my subscriber. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. And please, my friend, if you are new my channel, kindly like video and subscribe channel. Alright, so hope you subscribe it. Alright, my friend, if we check this time the market cap is 0.24% increasing now. So definitely when the market cap is increasing, then the price will increasing, but the volume is negative 0.17% decreasing. That is really bad news, my friend. But don't worry, I hope, my friends, too, the price will be increasing because, my friend, this time the fully diluted market cap is also going positive. So I hope, my friend, too, they will increasing. Alright, holders, the big and very big pump is coming soon because short term investors are starting investing at the end of month, my friends. Especially short term investors are starting investing. So therefore I hope, my friends, too, the price will pumps up. You will need to wait and hold for the end of this year. I hope they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, my all coin or gem coin holders. Please like video and subscribe this channel for latest updates and good news, and don't starting selling, otherwise you will very badly lost. Allah Hafiz, take care.